Good morning, my name is Chung On. Today I'm presenting JAC 444 Workshop 2. Here we have two tasks, the first one being sales slip and the second being grocery list. For the sales slip is about a 2D array and I initialize the 2D array and hard coding it as 5 and 4, which is 5 products and 4 salespersons. This is important because the order is important. Otherwise, in case your code is instead having 4 and 5 instead, then you are going out of bound because 5 is greater than 4. So instead of using multiple getters and setters, I just have one single 2D array getter being the sales getter. And there's a randomizing. Again, the same order follows. The 5 products and 4 guys, and then the randomized numbers times 1000 because the revenue has to be under 1000, and then we have a total function for the display and the calculating of the subtotals and the totals. And here the order is again important. This is 5 products here, and this is 5 products here, and this is 4 guys here. And then we have an enhanced for statements to print the revenues. So before I move on to the main function, it's also about iterating this for 100 times. And to run this, there's no input required, and here we go. So 5 products and 4 guys, then we have everything under 1000, and the total is of course the subtotals and so on is all well over 1000 and 100 times, all randomized. Then we have the second task being the grocery list. So here the main focus is on the list, and the list has to be 10. So my design is if you go over 10 items, then there will be no it won't print the further items. So there's an add function to add the items, and there's another thing for getting the total cost, and we also have a subtitle in this separate class being grocery item order. Other than initializing the quantity, the name, and the price per unit, here is where we have the subtotal get cost. And then back to here, in the printing of the grocery entries, we have the subtotal here, get cost right here. So it's item name followed by quantity, and then the subtotal. And here in the main function, yada yada, and then after calculating each entry, we have the total cost here. So to run this, assume I like Fox a lot. This is 10 items already, and then I have an 11th item, something like this. So we only have the first 10 items. And to run this again, assume I buy something else instead. So here we can see it's different items having a different subtotal, and then the total is here. So this is a very simple, overly simple design without validating input actually. Thank you for watching.